Hey, what's up guys, this is Sarvesh from SK's Tech back with another video. So recently Apple launched the 14.2 beta version, and in that version Apple launched the upcoming emojis that everyone will get along with the 14.2 update. So in this video I'm going to show you some of those emojis that you will get with the 14.2 update. So actually I posted about this on the SK's Tech Instagram in January of this year. So finally Apple is releasing this in 14.2. As you can see, there are some emojis which are like crying and smiling, this new emoji, also animal emojis, Santa emoji, and much more. So if I go to messages, here are some of the new emojis, and there are many more you can find here. Also there are colors of all these emojis, skin colors, black one, golden one, etc. This is another emoji, as you can see. So guys, that's pretty much it in today's video. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot. And thanks for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one.